Hey, good morning, guys. It's another beautiful Saturday, May the 30th, 2020. I'm heading back into the shop. I haven't been excited about the El Camino for years, and I'm so busy through the week on my day job that I just don't have time to really play with the El Camino. But I don't do any business on the weekends. Well, very little business in most cases, and that's my playtime. So now it's like, man, I can't wait for the weekends to come so I can mess with the El Camino. Got the brakes just working, I mean, fantastically, if that's even a word. And with that in mind, I got the brakes working so good that I was like, I'm going to tackle the drivability problems with the car. So I installed the new MSD ignition system. Couldn't be more pleased with it. Should have put it on a long time ago. Dad bought me the distributor for a birthday, and then when I didn't put it on right away, like the following Christmas, he bought me the coil and the ignition box, and there's my damn Harley clock going off again. Got that put in. The car's just running great. Put in the new spark plugs, got them gapped right. Really excited again about the El Camino. I've done so many things to this car over the years, and at some point I'll, before before YouTube, when I was doing all these different modifications years ago, I took a lot of pictures and documented it, and I'll put together some kind of a video trying to document everything I've done to the car. But this is current stuff right now. But I've got the car up in the air on a lift right now. And the ride height that I have it set at right now is cool looking. It doesn't handle the best. And, I like the way it looks, but I need to, I like to drive my car, so I need maximum handling performance. So right now I've got the front end sitting at about 24.25 from the ground to the edge of the fender, and I'm going to take it up about a half an inch and see how that affects the overall handling. But yeah, while I've got the camera on, just give you a quick look at the underneath. Overdrive transmission, headers, Flowmaster exhaust, Denny's HD drive shaft, 373 posi with all Global S suspension front and rear, disc brake conversion, air adjustable load airbags, tanks incorporated, fuel injection ready gas tank, QA1 performance rear shocks, Nitto tires, and my good old trailer hitch. And my Willwood, my famous Willwood brakes that I thought were junk. They're not. They work great. Needed hydro boost. All right, well, I've made my first adjustment. I've turned the adjustable coil springs, the coil-over shocks. I've adjusted them up one full turn, and it gave me about 1/4 of an inch. But I think I need another 1/4. So I'm going to try, as the spring gets tighter, I'm sure it won't be the same. One full turn will probably take it up further than 1/4 of an inch, but I'm going to find out. It's still, God damn. Man, it still looks great. That's still a good stance, but I think I'm going to go up 1/4. One more, I'm going to take it up a half inch total from where it was at, and then I'll stop there and drive it and see how the handling improvement is. But wow, after years, I'm excited again. I mean, the brakes and the fuel smell killed me with this car because it was a stone wall that I just ran into that just demotivated me to where I didn't want to do anything else to the car. I just let it sit for like 5 years, over 5 years, and barely even tinkered with it. And now, once I got those brakes fixed, the floodgates are open. All right, well, let's take it back up and make another adjustment. not yet. All right, bring her down, see where she's at. Yeah, it still looks pretty mean. I don't think that half an inch didn't hurt that car at all. Yeah, I've made the adjustment to the front, or made my first round of adjustments to the front end, guys. I was going for raising the front end a half an inch, and I did that, but after I came back from my first test drive, it settled out even more than I could bouncing on it, and I've got a solid 1/4 of an inch raise, and it made unbelievable difference in the way the car handles these country roads. Before, it was just a low rider, as low as it could go, and you hit dips in the road and stuff, and it was, bottoming out, and the front end was, for lack of a better word, just kind of wanky, but raising it up a solid 1/4 of an inch has really made a difference. And I think I'm gonna go another 1/4. Gosh, I can't believe it, man. I can't believe that this car is finally getting to where I've been visioning forever. I think I'm gonna go home and hook up the lawn trailer, maybe see how the brakes do pulling the trailer with a little bit of a load. Ha! Got it! Oh my God, that is so thrilling. Son of a bitch. Oh God. Oh my God. It's about 500 horsepower. And man, is it fun. Oh my God, is it getting fun. Oh, I love this car. I don't know if you can tell how freaking excited I am about this El Camino again, but wow. Hang on, guys. This car is so freaking awesome. I've got big plans. Oh, it sounds like Dad's coming. You hear it? You hear it? I guarantee it's Dad. Ha ha! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That thing looks cool. That fucking thing looks cool. You put the old carburetor back on it? How's it running? I mean, I'm trying to shoot a little bit of video, and just ever so slightly, I heard your car, and I stopped. I was shooting a little bit of video about I don't even remember what I was talking about, and ever so slightly, I thought I heard something, and I stopped, and I went, "There's Papa's coming. There's Papa's car." And then I turned the camera around, and I started walking out here, and then I heard you. I was like, "Yeah, heck yeah, let's take a cruise." Oh, and before you ask, it's not a split window. Me and Dad are downtown like I was. I took a cruise last night downtown around the square, and today, on Sunday, they are having, I guess, some kind of a Ferrari gathering. See what we have as we round the corner. Oh, they've got it blocked off. damn. Ooh, wow. Oh, damn. I didn't know there was any of that kind of stuff around here. Nice. Hey everybody, it is a hot and beautiful Saturday, June the 6th, 2020, and we're going to do what the El Camino is truly meant for, and we're going to actually put the trailer hitch to use today. So we're going to hook up the lawn trailer, and we're going to get the mower on it and use this El Camino for what it's meant for. Oh God. Oh man, that looks so damn cool. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. Let's go for a ride. Let's take a ride through downtown. See if there's any old cars out tonight. We got a few old cars out. Got tired of waiting? You get tired of waiting for me? Yep. Then which way are you going? Oh, don't go home. Now that's nice. Getting a badass Chevelle. Like it. Well guys, the El Camino is out and about, and I'm using it and abusing it and running it the way I built this car, for usability, for function. Yeah, like I was just saying, man, the everything I've ever wanted to do to this El Camino, it always had, I always had function in mind. You know, I wanted it to be able to work as much like a modern car as possible. I mean, that's always been my goal. Everything that I've ever done to this car, every single upgrade was to make it better and perform, not just to be pretty. This is a Restomod. This is not an original big block El Camino. I started to say Chevelle. It started life as just your everyday workhorse 350 4-barrel automatic in air. Had a turbo 350 with an open rear end, and I've completely did a Restomod, which I feel is worthy of being called an SS 454 because it is better than an SS 454. And the thing about this is that with it not being an original LS6 car, it's never going to be a high value car in stock form. So this is what you have. You've got a better than original, way better than original, drivable, usable, functional SS 454. Yeah, I was trying to do a smoky burnout for the video, but with the extra weight of the trailer and the mower, I just couldn't get it done. While I'm going back and forth in the driveway with the trailer, repositioning, my neighbor comes over and offers her assistance. She saw me and thought I was having trouble and offered her assistance, saying, "Hey, I'm pretty good at backing up trailers since I have horse trailers. Can I offer you some help?" And I was like, "No, I'm filming." Oh, neighbors. God damn, that thing is badass. Oh, I love it. Hey guys, I'm out in the El Camino, and I actually have the mower on the trailer with no particular place to go, really. Yeah, the brakes, no problem with the brakes now. I mean, just even pulling this load, I mean, I have no fear of not being able to stop, and even under a panic stop situation, it drives great. God, I can't even imagine what that looks like and sounds like to people on the outside of some hot rod car pulling a lawnmower and getting on it. Woo! I love this f***ing car, man. God. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. This car, finally, guys, I'm finally getting it to where I feel good driving it. I can have fun with it again. I'm excited about it again. Man, come on for the ride. God, I got to figure out a way to transfer this to you guys. You know, this feeling. I mean, some of you know what I'm talking about. I mean, it ain't the fastest car in the world. It's not the, you know, the quickest. God, is it bad to the bone. Simple things that you get pleasure from. Me pulling around my damn lawnmower with my Restomod 1970 El Camino. If I'm even close. Bingo.